Tell you a story of an investor that I see this all the time. He invested with us early on when we first started. And he was very hesitant and he didn't know us, right? He didn't know our track record. He said, even though we did have a great track record, he wasn't sure about investing with us. He didn't know how to trust us. He felt comfortable after me explaining all the due diligence and process that we do to pick up these properties. I always tell our investors, ask all the questions you have before you invest with us. We want to be an open book with you and make you feel comfortable and know who you're investing in. So I can tell you that he asked us a million questions and we were okay with it and we welcomed him. And I said, invest the minimum that you want. And he did. He invested $20,000. And I can tell you several years later, now he has over $600,000 with us. It's building that trust. It's something that we want to do for everyone. We don't expect everyone to invest everything they have with us. We want to make sure that you feel comfortable and you like not only us, our systems, our process, but also the properties that you're investing in, that you feel comfortable with that. Now that you've learned about AJX Capital, we'd really love to set up a call with you. That call is called a discovery call. We really want to get to know you. We want to know what your goals are and see if we can align with them. And if we do, then we keep going forward and keep talking about how we can help you achieve those goals together. Once that happens, then you get placed in our portal. In the portal, you get to go over properties. And if you have questions on them, we'll go over them with you and finally pick and choose an investment that you really feel comfortable with us to start off. After that, as things progress and that one pays off, we'll go over another property with you. So I wanted to share, you've heard we've done over 1,000 properties. And of all those properties, we've had investors on every single one. And I'm glad to say that on every single one of those, we've returned all of our investors' money. Without our investors, we couldn't be where we're at. We needed their help. It's a win-win. And I love the fact that someone can trust us and we can return that favor of them knowing that not only can they trust us, but they can verify that we are doing what we're supposed to with their money. One of the biggest compliments that we get here at AJX Capital is when we hear from investors that have invested with us for not only short periods or years, and they tell us thank you for having the opportunity to invest with us, to give them that peace of mind, to return their money, not only their principal, but their interest that now they've used, whether to live life, pay bills, or grow the wealth for their family. That's what we're all about here at AJX. We want to make sure it's a win for our investors. Like when I started the company in 2009, it was all about creating wealth for the family. And we want to share that with our investors as well.